Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to pay with coins on AliExpress. So AliExpress coins cannot be used to pay for your whole order, but you can use them to get some discounts at checkout. So let's go to my cart and proceed to checkout page. And of course, if your item supports such type of discounts with your coins, then in summary section in the line saved, they will be applied automatically. So as you have seen, I applied my 5 coins for this order and I've got my little discount. Again, I emphasize that I did absolutely nothing and AliExpress automatically deducted specific amount of coins that are applicable for my order. So the rest of the payment still has to be made with your cards, but coins help you save a little extra money. So that's how I do it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.